Good day, my wonderful pupils. Hope you are good. I welcome you once again to our online class of English Studies. Our topic today is informal letter. Our topic says informal letter. Remember, in our last class on informal letter, we discussed the features of informal letter and the definition of informal letter. Today, we will write an informal letter. Remember that I discussed with you that an informal letter is a type of letter written to those we have close relationship with. For example, your parents, relatives, and friends. So today, we will be writing a letter to your friend in another state, inviting him or her to your birthday party. Alright? Write a letter to your friend in another school, inviting him or her to your birthday party. So watch me closely because we will learn how to write an informal letter. First, in an informal letter, it has one address, which is the writer's address. The first feature is that it has the writer's address and date. Then the second one is salutation. The third one, we have the content of the letter. Then we have complimentary clause. So let's begin. The first thing we should write is writer's address. Who is the writer? You are the one writing to your friend, so you are the writer. So we will use the writer's address. For this purpose, we will be using the school's address. 1 Grace Court Drive. Can you see my address? Grace begins with capital G, Court begins with capital C, and Drive begins with capital D. Udoka Housing Estate. Oka. Okay, remember, you are writing to your friend in another state. Therefore, you will include Anambra. Anambra State. Full stop. Assuming you are writing to your friend who is in Anambra State, you will stop in Oka. But if your friend is in another state, you must include Anambra State because they are writing from Anambra State. Your friend could be in Enugu State, Lagos State, and so on. So look at my address, 1 Grace Court Drive. You notice something, punctuation is very important in an informal letter. The first one is punctuated, this is a comma, this is a comma, this is full stop. And if you notice, everything begins with capital letter. Then we'll write the date. Today's date, 1st June 2020. You can see that my June begins with capital J, and there is a comma after it. You can see. So this is a perfect address. Then the next one is salutation. Let's assume your friend's name is Mary. You start with Dear Mary, comma. After that, the content of your letter is where the things that you will discuss with your receiver. That is the content of the letter. Here, you discuss with your friend about your birthday party. You invite your friend to your birthday party. I've always told my students to share the content into 3 paragraphs. The first one, you exchange pleasantries. I told you what I mean by exchange of pleasantries in our last class. You ask your friend how they are doing and so on. Then the second paragraph, you discuss your main purpose of writing the letter. Here, you will tell your friend why you are writing to them. Then you discuss your birthday party, the venue, the time, and the date. It will contain your second paragraph. So let's assume this is our first paragraph. This is how you tell your friend, ask him or her how they are doing. This is your first paragraph. Remember, this is a format of writing an informal letter. Then the second paragraph, here you tell your friend why you are writing to him or her. This is our second paragraph. You can see. It is in this paragraph you invite your friend to your birthday party. You tell your friend the venue, that is where it will be held, the time and the date. Then the final paragraph, you can tell your friend to invite other friends. You tell him or her that you miss him or her. Just a concluding paragraph. Then after that, we have complimentary close. Remember, this is a friendly letter, like I told you in our last class on informal letter. So you can end it with yours truly, yours sincerely, your loving friend, and so on. Okay, so we use yours sincerely. There is a comma after yours sincerely. You can see. Then you include your first name. It is very important. You must include your first name. In an informal letter, first name is allowed. So if your name is Okafor Chidinma, you don't need to write Okafor because Okafor is your surname. What you have to write is Chidinma. In an informal letter, there is no signature. So this is basically how to write an informal letter. You begin with your address. If you notice, my address is on a straight line. So it's either you use a ruler, just be certain that it's on a straight line. After that, this is your salutation. Dear Mary, dear Mike, dear mom, dear dad, dear brother, as the case may be. Then you start off with your letter. Here, this is the beginning of the paragraph. That is why there is a leaving space here. This is the second paragraph, and this is the third paragraph. After that, your complimentary close. Yours sincerely, Chidinma. Yours sincerely, Emily, and so on. Alright, here comes the end of our class on informal letter. Hope you learned something. And remember to go to your class dojo for your assignment. Have a nice day and stay safe.